Hi, so I have to do this video to show you quick path on all installation steps, and I'll also show you how to create the example homepage for a business website. I'm going to be talking about a law office in Miami and creating a landing page for a law office in Miami as an example using WordPress, Elementor, and Hello Theme. So I'm going to go to cPanel. I'm currently using a Linux cPanel server optimized for WordPress. I'm gonna go to WordPress here. This is in a script installation. I mentioned it. And right now we are installing WordPress. So you can see I have a few WordPress installations already on the server. I can click hide here, show again. Since this is for test purposes, there's no worry about showing the password. Right, so I'm gonna click here dev and law office, or let's say law Miami. Why do I add dev/law Miami? Well, I don't want the WordPress to be installed on donnastudio.com because I already have a WordPress running right there. What I want is sorry, what I want is the new website that we're going to create. I want it to be within dev folder. So I want to dev, and again another folder here is going to be law Miami. I'm not going to change any of this data because this is by default. It's totally fine. Or just scroll down here and click install. Sorry. Okay, so we have a new website added right there. We added the website as an educational purpose. This is a test website made in WordPress. All right, so this is what we have. Everything is clean using the latest version of WordPress. So we are going to go to appearance. Add new. And as you can see, Hello Theme appears right in front of you when you add new theme. So I'm going to install Hello Theme, activate. And once you install and activate Hello Theme, automatically appears here a notice to install Elementor because one thing is tied to another. Hello Theme is made by Elementor people, and when you install their theme, this is a vanilla theme, by the way. It means it's totally empty and some sort of a framework theme to actually work on top of it and create something amazing. So as you can see, we already installed Hello and activated, and I came here to the front page of the blog page of the WordPress page, and as you can see, nothing appears there because we are going to add the elements that we want right there on our new homepage. So I'm going to go ahead and install Elementor as well. Right, Elementor has been installed. Activating plugin. I am going to close this splash here. Okay, so now Elementor is installed. on the website, but of course it is installed as a free version. So I'm gonna go here to go to settings. No, I'm gonna go to upgrade then. This is my Elementor account. So as you can see, I have a lot of websites. Some of these websites are dev, not all then are official Elementor sites, but I got quite a few websites created in Elementor in the past 2 or 3 years. So I think I'm gonna have to download the Elementor Pro plugin because you first install Elementor and then you have to as well install Elementor Pro on top of Elementor. So let's download the Elementor Pro version to include in our new website. So let's get back to plugins, add new. I'm going to close this here. I don't need it anymore for now. So upload plugin. I'm going to select the Elementor Pro plugin we just downloaded from Elementor website. All right, so uploaded the Elementor Pro plugin, and yeah, I think I uploaded twice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace the current one and pack in the package, activate plugin. Right, so as you can see, once that you install Elementor Pro, it appears here a connect and activate link. Just go and activate it, and voila. So we have Elementor Pro already added on the website, and the website still is the same because we just added the plugins and everything, the theme and the plugin, but we haven't done anything else. So I'm going to right now create a page. All right, so as you can see, I came here and add a new page. This applies to every WordPress website, and the page is going to be called home. It's going to be the home page, so we call it home. And once that we have everything installed, like Elementor and Elementor Pro, everything, once that you, or every time that you add a page, you get this button here, edit with Elementor. So I'm going to click it. Let's actually get rid of this and this. And this is Elementor Pro. All right. Pretty cool, huh? I love it. So we are going to view the page right here. So this is gonna be a lawyer's website, a law office in Miami. So for a lawyer website, I will try to present a hero section that is in accordance with the law office in Miami. I have an account with Elements and Baro, and I am going to connect the website with Elements and Baro because I need to get resources out of this huge photos, stock, and videos and everything. I need to connect with my new website to be able to pull the different images that I'm going to need for the hero section and some other sections on the home page. There are other ways to do it, but this is the way that I have chosen. So I'm going to add once again, another plugin. Gonna be let's put elements here. I think it's this one. Baro elements, photo, and Elementor templates. So I'm going to now to settings, perhaps. Yep. All this link to get the token. So we have to connect everything there. All right. So I'm gonna use the Google account. And we got the token, so I'm going to get it and verify token. Success. Now, once that we connect in Baro Elements, I have to refresh this page for the new connection to take effect. Now, if you click here, add section, then you're gonna notice you got a lot of different options to add a section, or if you click here, you have the blocks, the pages, and my templates. Of course, on my templates there will be nothing because we haven't created anything yet. But you have pages and you have blocks and different categories here where you can actually select templates out of call to actions, hero. So hero sections are call to actions or similar to call to action sections that most of the time goes on the above the fold part of the page, which is this one here. So you can see if you go to my website, then you're gonna see that I have a hero section and a slider running right there, advertising the most important things I want people to see when they first go to my homepage. This applies to any website that I have created and any professional website that you see. Let's actually take a look at the different websites that I have been creating for my clients and maintaining as well. So yeah, a hero section it should be and has a visual impact on people. So when people go to any business website, they should actually get access to the information and what the client is selling, my client in this case, to their clients, and they have to be able to grab very nicely and fast all the information or the most important information they want to present to potential clients. So this is a very important part of the process, the hero section. It's gonna give your business website the visual impact you need for people to convert and be your clients. So let's actually go with an image. In this case, we are not going to add in a slider as a hero section. We're just going to create a hero section that's going to be fixed. It's going to be static. And okay, so right, so let's sign in here on the elements here. All right, I'm already signed in, so I'm gonna select photos and I'm gonna put here lawyer. So I'm looking for a lawyer. I'm looking for a person that is going to represent, let's say it's gonna be the main lawyer that is working on this. Okay, still looking for the proper lawyer for the hero section. And this process is possibly one of the hardest things you are going to face when looking for proper images, because sometimes you don't find them easy. And sometimes you have to use a different keyword, not look for a lawyer itself, but a man in a suit, a businessman, or something like that, that will actually give you back. All right, we got the picture. So this picture is going to work because I'm looking for a picture that has air. When I mean air, I mean space. So I'm going to, well, not download this picture. I'm going to grab it from, I think I can try to add it right here. I'm going to take, let me take up a few things from here so I have a more clear idea of what I'm doing. And then we're going to add an image here. So how did I add that? Well, all right, let's go back here, right here, pick the image and drop it on this area. Okay, as you can see, Envato Elements has appeared right here, and I presume you already know how to do a couple of things in WordPress. If you want to upload a picture, you have to select it here, upload files. The media files doesn't show anything because you haven't uploaded anything. This is a brand new website. So go to Envato Elements. We already connect that with the Envato database and try to locate the picture with phone of a lawyer. There you are. Okay, so I'm gonna click here. And we have the picture added on the WordPress. I'm going to update right here. Come back to and as you can see, we have the picture added. So there is a long way coming from here to something like Patriot Legal, as you can see. But I'm gonna get there. Okay. Okay, so let me grab this picture from the media library in WordPress. Gonna go back to gonna go to media right here. And I'm gonna to see the picture and save. I'm gonna save this picture right here. And I'm going to go to the software made by Adobe to remove background, which I tested the other day and works pretty nice. Okay, so I am going to select the picture that I would like to Adobe is asking for signing in, so I sign it in. How about now, Adobe? I think I'm gonna have to select the picture once again, or not. Yeah, browse device and select picture once again here, and it's removing background. Perfect. So we have a picture that has been cleaned up. So I'm going to download. This is going to download as a PNG, transparent PNG, so we can play with the background. Really love doing that kind of stuff to create an atmosphere or a comfortable eye feel of the contents. All right, they're taking a while because they are loading the whole editor online, and I just want to download, but it takes what it takes. I'm going to rename this and click and add it as lawyer Miami. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of this one and select again and upload the new one we just generated using Adobe background removal for free. So we have the picture of the lawyer added right here. I am going to click here and add a new column, and the picture is gonna go to the left because we want to add contents on the right. I am going to go here, hide this. We're going to change the header so we don't have this anymore here. And the header is gonna have a logo type, and it's gonna have a basic menu with different pages. But I would like to continue right now working on the hero section because this is my main interest right now. So the hero section has already the main figure we want to represent. We want to actually add right here. You can play with the size of this right here. There is a way to have the picture with less width. So I'm going to use a very old but professional grade Autumn tool that I got here. And I am going to cut this here. Or even better, just there. So I'm going to select this tool here. So let's get back to upload the new one to just generate it. Perfect. So as you can see, I removed all the contents, sorry, the space, and now we have the picture bigger, so we can play with the picture much better because we don't have spaces on the sides. All right. So let's actually leave it this size. That's fine. I'm gonna get more room here for copy, and we are going to add some space on the top. Let's give it 50, and on the bottom as well, 50 possibly, or not on the bottom. Okay, just not going to add any space on the bottom of the container. By the way, all right. So let's select the container right here and come back to background type. And as you can see in the background, I can add the picture, and we're going to look for a picture for the background. And the picture is going to be something on the whites, so that don't interfere with our main picture of the lawyer. So go to display size and click cover, repeat, no repeat, and background overlay. I'm going to pick white, so you can make it even whiter. Now, for some reason, I don't like that, so we just go ahead and locate another picture again of a law office. Something like that. Yeah, much better. I like it much better because it's actually more. I'm going to change position right here, so I'll look at better right now. Okay, so let's get our first heading on here. It's gonna be H1 because it's the most important. So law office in Miami is gonna be our H1, and as well, this is going to be our main keyword for SEO. When building a website, we don't only have to create awesome looking website. We also have to do something called SEO, search engine optimization. And in this case, we're going to be optimizing the homepage for this new website for on-site SEO. So since we're talking about this right now, I am going to get back here and add a plugin called Rank Math. It is an SEO plugin that you can install on your WordPress and Elementor site for free. And this is going to make a huge difference because you're able to optimize your pages right from within Elementor. So we just added a plugin that we want to use from within Elementor, so we have to refresh this page. As you can see, something new appeared right here, and it's called SEO. So I'm going to select once again right here. Let's get back and let's go back to SEO, and the focus keyword is going to be law office in Miami. Okay. The title is going to be law office in Miami, and the perm link. The perm link it's not going to be this one because law office in Miami. Oh, too much. So ready to help you with your legal, or let's write something there. Your legal matter, your legal issue matter to us. I don't know. Anything there that is relevant to this here. So I'm going to repeat here law office in Miami on description. Law office in Miami, ready to help you with your legal issues today. Call us for a free call us for a free case. Okay, so we have the global colors and the global fonts defined, and then I'm gonna get back to, I'm gonna close site settings and get back here, and going to add a text editor that comes with the Learning 2.0 text. I'm going to double this text right here, and I'm gonna go to typography on the styles. We are going to increase the size of this headline, and we want it to be more prominent. Okay. We want a visual impact on this homepage, so we need big headlines, but not too big, possibly. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna go for big this one. Perhaps a different font will render better this type of layout, but I think this is fine here. So we have a title, we have a description. I added double this here, but we don't need so much. We are going to increase the size of the little content here, and we are missing a call to action. Call to action is going to complete the formula right here because people are going to read. By the way, if you select this here and drop it, take it to the left, you can change the position of the copy and the picture. I am going to, for now, I am going to leave it like that. So the copy is going to be in the left. This here and this here. Perhaps larger, perhaps with 100% border radius with the shadow. You can play with a lot of things on Elementor. So once that you are right there, you can create It's unlimited. How about an animation? So when the page loads, we would like the button to animate. Go to Advanced, Motion Effects, and Fading Up. You like that, right? Me too. So let's go to the home page right here to see what is going on. Oh shit, this is looking nice. What do you think? I freaking love it. Okay, so yeah, I like it. I like it how it's coming along. How did I go here? Okay, well, I want to tell you now. Let me close all these things here, these two, and I'm gonna stay right here. Gonna go here and view page. Okay, you are on Elementor editor. Go to the hamburger menu right here and view page, and you see the page. Now, what about if I go to this home page? I still see nothing. Oh shit, page disappeared. Yeah, but no, still there. Okay, so you're gonna go to dashboard. You're gonna go to reading on settings, and a static page is gonna be your home page, which is gonna be the home that we created. And then when you go to Low Miami, then you're gonna see the page that we are creating because we assign it. Right now, this home page we created to be the default home page of your entire WordPress website. All right. We created the hero section already. This is looking very nice. You can link to a phone number, you can link to a contact page, you can link to an offer page. To any page of your interest that will draw people to engage, to contact you and to actually hire you or buy your services and products. So we mentioned about creating a header. So I'm going to create um, I'm going to create simple logo type for this website. It's gonna call. So Low Miami. Okay. Low Miami is gonna be let's do little. We need something. So let's uh let's think that it's gonna be the name of the office. So I am going to extract it as PNG transparent to let's get back to So let's go to the back end of the website, the back end of WordPress, and click templates, add new. And the template that we want to add is gonna be the header. create template. We're not going to select any pre-made. You can do it, but we're building a custom-made home page here. So the side logo is going to be the first thing that goes. Change the side logo. Let's upload this one here. Just and there is a fav icon that we have to as well add. The fav icon has to have the same width and height. Let's represent the fav. I'm gonna put here only low, right in the middle. I'm gonna strike this one too. It's called fav. All right. Click updates. Like to editor, and as you can see, we have the logo type we just added. Then right here we see the tiny law we added as a fav icon. Okay. So what do we have to do now? We have to add a main menu to the page. So go back here, WordPress menu. Nothing is showing here because we haven't added any page. So let's go to appearance. No, let's go to appearance, customize, menu, and let's create a new menu. It's gonna be called main. It's gonna go on the header, add items, and the items you add from here are going to be pages in this case. So a new page, home page should be there by default. About, law services, blog, contact, publish. Then as you can see, we have a menu added on the site. Okay. This menu has different pages, blank pages, of course. We haven't created any contents on the pages. Let's get rid of this right here so we don't see it appearing anymore on the composition. Perfect. Okay. So as you can see, from blank, for nothing, we just getting into having a nice website created right here. So I'm gonna, since we have, oh, right, we are in the header right here, and you click publish, and then appears this. This is very important. You want to add a condition to include the header on every page, entire website. let me close a couple things. And we have now when you go to the home page of the site that we are creating, as you can see, you can either click with Elementor and it's going to edit the page, or you can either edit the header we just created. Click header. Let's go to the menu, click here on the pencil. I am going to not have it underline it, just like that. Very simple. You notice how the H on the home is not capital. So how do we change that? So we go to appearance, customize, menus, select the menu, and just change that here. All right, we have a capital right now. Everybody's fine read on the pages and the menu as well. Perhaps we want to add the contact information, the phone number of the law office, which is very important to add it on the header, on the right part of the header. So let's suppose let's click icon here and icon list. I'm gonna drop it here. We don't need 3, we just need 1, and it's gonna be 305 5689 65. And we need to locate here a phone fine. We need this to be aligned in the middle, and we need to have it a tail link. So when people click on it, we want people to be able to call us nicely from there. Let's go to typography here and possibly increase the size of the phone number. Okay, let's change here a couple things. Now, we have been creating a nice header here and the home page as well, but how about this looking on a cell phone? So Elementor has responsive view on the computer and different resolutions and tablet and mobile phone. Okay, so for the mobile phone, it's not looking so bad, but we want this to be centered, we want this to be centered, and we want this to open. Okay, this is fine for now. Just gonna leave it there, center it, the header. I am going to get back to the page so I see how this looks on the mobile. Click F5 to have all the information right there. I did with Elementor to see how the page looks on the phone. Yeah, we need to fix a couple things here. So you can see we don't want a space on the phone. space we gave it, the padding we gave it for. We don't want the letters to be so big on the font. Instead, we want them to be in a proper 40 here, align to the left. This is too big as well for the font. Let's align to center, align it. Everything center, align it. The image is fine. Everything is fine here. I like it. Pretty nice. So if you can see, we got back to the desktop view and everything is back to normal. What did I just did? I just selected the container right here and went to column gap and no gap, and the picture of the lawyer lose the gap that has, so with no gap looks much better. Okay, what do we do next? Well, we have to add contents. We have to add sections. For that, we're going to use H2 by default right here. We're going to have this here, align it to center, align it, and let's call it our services. On the top, we want to separate a little bit. Now, Elementor has different elements you can browse and play with them, like image boxes and icon boxes and stuff like that. Sometimes the icons are a little bit tricky to use, but you can try to use them as well. My recommendation to find icons is the iconfinder.com website. I have an account with them too. I'm going to look for law icons. Free. Now, most of the time when you see icons here, the icons belong to a collection. By the way, this is free for commercial use. It means you can include it on your website and offer services and whatever. So if we click here, we see all the icons belonging to this. I am going to add icons here. Randomly, so I'm not going to continue like making a sense website. Just create a template to finish up the video. So I am going to download the icons in SVG. Yeah, this is fine. This is fine too. This is fine too. So I have the three icons that I want to add as an SVG. SVG means it is code, so you're not downloading an image. And this is great for different resolutions and retina ready displays. So it's good to have the icons added as SVG. You can actually add it as a PNG as well if you find difficult to be using the S. So icon icon box is what we're going to use. Right there. As you can see, we have an LOSB right here. Click enable, loads, and I'm going to select this one. Okay. Let's increase the size a little bit. So you can see you increase the size or decrease the size and the quality is still fine. This is the advantage of using the SVG or code-based format, not the image. If you select PNG, if you increase the size, it will lose quality. So let's get rid of this. And the spacing, where is this spacing? I think there's too much spacing because the title is reserved there, so let's actually put here environmental. Oh, I am going to duplicate. Oh, you know what? We don't want this because we want duplications to be to the right. So we're going to delete this here. And there is something called intersection you can use. Nowadays, I think Elementor is getting rid of the intersection element and focusing the attention on the flex box to be able to get the same results. Or you can create a new section with 3 different containers, which is similar to intersection, but let's go, I think. And let's go to this here. I grab the icon box and just drag it and drop it there. I'm going to copy and paste and paste. And we have the 3 different things right there. Okay. Upload. I'll select the second one here. I don't know. I'm going to. Oh, I keep uploads. Come on. And the third one. Okay. So we have services added on the page, and let's create a different call to action. Gonna have possibly a client picture. Let's say all people. I'm going to get this picture. I like it, and I'm gonna add the picture to add a new column. Let's give it some space on top and the bottom, 50 and 50. By the way, Elementor has dividers you can use. You can play with them. These dividers can actually create a nice feeling when separating different sections. For now, I'm not gonna use them. I will just keep going with you know what? I'm going to use this picture as a background. I'm going to delete the picture right here and add a hidden, and the hidden is gonna say your service or your offer. Or important info 2023. Okay, click on the section, go to style, picture, and select the picture we downloaded. Okay, so as you can see, we see the picture. But we need more space, so I'm gonna give it space using more padding, like 200 here and 200 here too. Now important info is middle, so I'm gonna increase this 400. So what I want here is creating the feeling of a call to action. And separating the contents a little bit. Important info can have some sort of a copy as well. You can play with the background on this one because the color can be white and has transparency. And if we add a column, then we can have the information on a box. And the box can have rounded borders and stuff. Background, shadow. Again, the possibilities are endless. You can create a lot of things using Elementor. And there is also one cool thing that Elementor brings is the attachment. You click fix it, then so you can see it's gonna stay fixed right there, or you can add scrolling animations, like when you scroll and when you scroll up and down, then you see the image is moving, right? So this is cool too. Now, one thing I don't like is that the height of this section is too much. So I'm gonna get rid of this here. But not entirely. Okay. Perhaps some padding here will improve the visual space and everything. Okay. So like that, you can continue creating the different sections of your home page using the powerful Elementor Pro. and also creating a footer right from the templates, add new, same process, and then create a footer here, create template. You can select template ready-made, a block or something, or you can actually drop a text editor there, and 2023 all rights reserved, law office in Miami. Add condition to the whole site. Now if you go here, you're going to see that our template for footer has been added to the whole website. Go to the page, and here we are. We have a home page created that possibly is missing some contents. You can add as much content as you want to the home page. You want to add text, videos. You can add videos as well. You can play with the videos. Recently, Elementor included if you included this video playlist, which is pretty cool. You add the videos from YouTube or any other video source right here, and people can actually browse different videos of your interest. And you can add posts from the blog post on Wordpress, gallery, a lot of cool elements, cool functionalities, and great stuff offered by Elementor, PayPal button, Stripe button. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, this is the video that I wanted to make to show you how to create a website using Elementor, WordPress, cPanel, and all the different tools we included on creating this pretty nice law office in Miami. If you have any question, if you need help creating your website, I'm all ears. I love to support your business and create a website with you, help you understand the whole process, and get the website to something professional. We can create it from scratch. We can redesign the website that you already have right now. Please send me an email, call me, or text me on WhatsApp, and I'll be happy to join you on this adventure. On my website, donstudio.com, you're going to be able to find all the information for the web maintenance plans that I have, the web developer retainer. I have some monthly clients. You can go to pricing and browse a couple things here. And the portfolio will show you some of the websites that we have been creating. On the blog, you find different things that I post. This is me, by the way, Don Martinez from Miami. I wish you all the very best, and thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.